Did you know a single machine can churn out 20,000 cigarettes in just 1 minute? Join us to uncover the jaw-dropping tech inside one of the world's largest cigarette factories. Welcome to Factory Tour. Today, we're diving into the world of cigarette production. Note, this video is for educational purposes only and does not promote smoking. The CDC reports 28.3 million US adults smoke, but what makes cigarettes so widespread? Let's find out, step by step. Before cigarettes as we know them, ancient civilizations like the Maya used tobacco leaves for medicine and rituals. Fast forward to the 19th century, cigarettes became a cultural staple until science revealed their health risks. Curious about how they're made today? Let's head to North Carolina. It all starts in spring, where skilled farmers prep nursery trays with soil. An automated seeder scatters tiny tobacco seeds with precision. These trays are then tucked into greenhouses, where seedlings sprout over 7 weeks. By early summer, the seedlings are ready for the fields. Machines plant them in neat rows, and with daily care they grow as tall as a young child. Can you guess what's next? In July, the plants bloom, but farmers use cutting machines to snip the flowers, boosting leaf growth. Growth inhibitors are sprayed, and after a month, the leaves turn yellow. Harvest time. Deep digging machines yank the plants from the soil, loading them into trucks. A great harvest means full bins, ready to head to the drying warehouse. At the warehouse, leaves spill onto conveyor belts and into massive drying rooms. Wood fires beneath the floor dry them for 5 to 8 weeks, transforming them into golden bundles. Dried leaves are pressed into neat squares and shipped to the factory. Here, the real magic begins, sorting leaves by size and quality. Too dry? A quick steam makes them flexible. Next, stripping machines remove stalks, and the leaves are blended and chopped into tiny pieces. This high-speed process is mind-blowing. One machine can produce thousands of cigarettes per minute. Now manufacturing kicks in. A 7,000-meter paper roll meets a stream of tobacco, forming a long rod. The paper wraps it tightly, creating the cigarette core. The rod is sliced into cigarettes, and filters are attached with tipping paper. Every step is checked for quality. Nothing slips through. Cigarettes are grouped, wrapped in foil for freshness, and packed into cartons. Protective plastic seals in the aroma, ready for distribution. To minimize waste, factories use eco-friendly tech and recycling systems, and that's the journey from field to pack. If you're amazed by this tech, smash that like button, subscribe, and join us for more factory tours. What's next? You'll be blown away.